Horses out, we have Pedro Penduko, pass to begin, Promise, and on the outside, Tonic Water, Pretty Bull is racing in port, especially discreet Rising Star, Lucky Lorky, and on the outside, Flying Hope, Dugos Pride, second last, and Ferrer is the early trailer, we have Pedro Penduko by about 4 lengths, Promise in second, and on the outside, third, Tonic Water, Pretty Bull is down on the inside, then followed over now by number 6, Rising Star, especially discreet down on the inside. Flying Hope, Lucky Lorky, a long way back to Pederer and Dugo Sprite. And it's still Pedro Penduko, followed now by Pretty Bull in second, especially discreet. Now moving up to take third, then on the outside, Port Promise, Tonic Water, moving up, Flying Up on the outside 6. Then comes Rising Star, Lucky Lorky, Pedro Penduko, especially discreet, Pretty Bull, and on the outside, Promise, Flying Hope, joining them down on the inside is Lucky Lorky, as they come down at the last 150, especially discreet, down on the inside now is Lucky Lorky, Promise, Pretty Bull, Flying Hope, as they come down at the last 150, we have Lucky Lorky, now takes the lead, especially discreet in second, and in third, Flying Hope, Promise, entering the finish line, and it's still Lucky Lorky, second, Flying Hope, especially discreet, then comes Promise, Pretty Bull, Federer.
89342. Only the third choice.